Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to display like counts in your threads. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this you have to open your threads. Now go to your account and select your post and press on three dots. Here you can see the option of unhide like and share counts. Press on this. By pressing this, you can display like counts in your threads. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.